Old school. Merriam-Webster defines it as a characteristic reminiscent of an earlier style, manner, or form. The resurgence of old school and old school inspired clothing, music, series, and other trends solidified the fact that there really are people behind these movements. This group of people dedicate themselves to cultures of the yesteryears, car culture being one of them. The love of retro automobiles transcends generations. These cars struck a chord in enthusiasts because, somehow, someway, they're special.
1982 model Mitsubishi Lancer. Siguro talagang ito na yung ito na yung since bata pa ako, gusto ko talaga
1983 model Toyota Corolla DX. Siguro para sa akin, mas maporma kasi siya mas matindig siya sa akin. Yun ang maganda sa old school. Napakadali niya i-maintain. Although yung ibang parts niya mahirap, pero kung sa maintenance lang din naman, madali siya.
'87 Lancer Backside. Kaya ko lang siya binuo kasi yun, yung tawag sa akin ng mga anak ko, Papa Jim. So, you notice the plate number. It's PGM. Yeah, so, kaya ko siya binuo.
So ito yung Mitsubishi Lancer 1987 na SL. Yun, pinalitan ko lang siya ng stock engine na 4G63 second gen, 7-bolter, galing sa RVR 2.0. Tapos palit ako ng aluminum radiator, strut bar, coilover sleeves, tapos camber plates, saka LSD.
This is a 1980 Lancer SL and box type, no? And it's a 1400, and the original was a 1400. And this is one of the first 100 units that came out. I'd like to think na I didn't pick it, it picked me. So as I said, it's a hand-me-down car from my dad, and I have lots of fun memories with this car, being a 36-year-old model already. And since this is a 1980 model car, last year he turned 80. So doon ko rin binigay. At 80 years old, I gave him back his 1980 Lancer backside as a Father's Day gift.
A childhood dream car, a family heirloom, a peek into the simple life of the past. Their simplicity, looks, and character define their appeal.
Mag-iigpit na ang Land Transportation Office o LTO sa paggamit ng mga lumang sasakyan sa kalsada.
Ako naman kasi ang opinion ko dyan, tingnan muna nila kung roadworthy. Kasi madami namang newer models dito na mas matinuto syempre. Kasi yung iba, pinapabayaan lang talaga kahit bago
Although the name is old school, but you'll be surprised how these old school enthusiasts really takes good care of their cars. I think it's not a matter anymore of looking at the age of the car, but maybe what's important is we look at how spick and span and how roadworthy is the car.
Thankfully, local authorities have issued a recall on the impending law, and it's now undergoing review with representatives of concerned parties. People say that you do anything to keep your love's fire burning, and that's what the dedication of old school car enthusiasts ensure. Amidst the fast-paced, modern, changing times, there are people who slow down and appreciate relics of the not-so-distant past.
Old school life, simple lang eh.
Para rin sa mga ka-old school ko.
For me, it's my father's legacy. Kasi siya yung inabutan ko yung auto niyang bata pa lang ako, nakita ko kung paano niya inalagaan yung auto niya.
Driving this car just really brings back fun memories of the past, and it creates a special bond between myself and my dad.
Cherish the simple things, to appreciate yesterday, to build bonds and friendships, to avoid complications, to preserve memories, to pass on to future generations, to leave a legacy. These stories keeps the old school alive.
Let's just